Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, I'm Mel. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I'd share with you guys a few of my recent purchases for my hair. Some of them I've used them before and I'm just restocking. Some are new to me and some are just new, I think, to the market. It's not that much now that I look at it, but I'm just gonna jump right into it. So first up is this 100% glycerin. Now this particular one is from Earth Elements in Jamaica. When I was in Jamaica, that was my go-to store for like oils. This basically anything natural that you can use to DIY anything, literally. That was my go-to store. So when my sister came to visit me, she actually brought this with her for me because I love to use this in my deep conditioners and my leave-in conditioner mixes. Now if you don't know, glycerin is heavy in humectants, and what humectants do is pull moisture from the air into your hair and helps to retain it. So yeah, I love to add this to my deep conditioners and to my moisturizers sometimes. So next up we have this rice bran oil, and this one I got from Amazon. So as you guys know, I use rice water in my hair and I love it. So I've been doing a lot of research on rice water and I came across rice oil. So of course that piqued my interest, so I have been testing it out. I started with a smaller bottle and then I moved up to this bigger bottle because I liked it so much. It is super lightweight and it has no smell, and it's really good for the hair and for the skin. So you can definitely do your research on this if you are interested, but so far I'm liking it. The next couple of products I have here are from Apogee, and if you guys don't know about Apogee, go ahead and Google it because they're one of my favorite hair care brands. So in all honesty, I wanted one product but I couldn't find it on like Amazon or anywhere. It was only on their website because it's fairly new. So when I went to go check out with this one product, the shipping was like $9. So I was like, no. So they had free shipping over $40, I believe. So I just went ahead and bought like $40 worth of products. But initially I went on the website to go ahead and grab this, and this is their new moisturizer. I'm not sure if that's focusing. You guys, the screws from my camera, I have the Canon G7X, the screws from the flip screen fell out, so I'm literally have a mirror propped up behind my camera so I can actually see myself in focus. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is gonna focus, but this is the moisturizer. It's the Shea Pro leave-in moisturizer. There we go. And I believe this is new. I haven't seen anybody talking about this or mentioning it, so I was curious to try it out for myself. It's a really thick, creamy moisturizer. It's super thick. So I'm curious to see how this will work. It does have protein in it though. So if your hair don't really like protein, then I'm not sure how this will work for you, but my hair loves protein. I haven't tried it yet, but I will try it and let you guys know how I like it. So to make up the $40 to get free shipping, I went ahead and I grabbed the 2-step protein treatment. This is my go-to protein treatment. So this is step 1, which is the actual protein treatment. This is step 2, which is the balancing moisturizer. There we go. I usually just grab the packets of these just because they're easier, but I decided to get the bottles this time. So yeah, I've used this before. I love this stuff. Next, we have two products that I have not used before. First up is their Prolific Moisture Rich Leave-In, and I was looking for a moisture-based leave-in conditioner because you guys know that my go-to is the Pro Vitamin Leave-In from Apogee as well, but that has protein. So I was looking for something that was more moisturizing, I guess. So I saw this on the website and decided to give it a try. I've used it a couple times before and I can say that I actually like it. Next up we have this Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. Guys, I actually already have this and I just realized, you know what I thought I was getting? I thought I was getting the sample of the keratin and green tea restructurizer. I could have sworn that's what I ordered. That's crazy. I actually own this. I was trying to try the green tea restructurizer. So I guess I have this in case I'm traveling or something. I can just throw it in my luggage. Anyway, moving on. I feel so dumb. So next I restocked up on my castor oil. This is the Jamaican black castor oil. This is one of my favorite oils, and this is the brand that I use. It is the best. Let me just tell you guys, this is the best castor oil. So yeah, I use this on my scalp. Don't really use it on the length of my hair because it's so heavy, unless I'm wearing like a bun or some other style that I don't need it to be, you know, light and airy. I'll use this, but this is mainly for my scalp. So next up is a product that has been creating quite a buzz in the hair community of late. It's not new, but it's new to me. This is Olaplex, and this particular one is the Take Home Hair Perfector number 3. I believe there are 6 steps in the system. It is a professional line, so it's not readily available unless you have like a cosmetology license or whatever. But this one is the Take Home treatment. Now, it is not a protein treatment, it's not a conditioner, it is a bond builder. And if you guys don't know, you can actually go to Sephora and grab a sample of this. That's what I did before purchasing it, because I was like, I don't know, this is $28 and it's just 3.3 fluid ounce. This thing is tiny, okay? So yeah, I have used it and I decided to make the plunge and go ahead and get it. I do like it. I did see a difference in my hair when I used it, and I feel like it's worth it. So yeah, I got this. So I've been looking to purchase another bonnet or scarf to put in my travel bag, because sometimes I do not unpack my bags when I travel, and I just want one to just keep with all my travel things, like my travel hair stuff and my travel pillowcase. You know, I just want one just for travel. So I've been looking and I came across this slap cap from Grace Alea. They were having a buy one get one free sale, so I went ahead and I grabbed 2. I think these will come in handy when it's like traveling, whether it's on the plane or in a car for a long car ride, because you can just slap these on. They just look like a beanie, but inside is satin lined. I've seen these for a very long time actually, but that buy one get one free sale got me, so I got 2 and I really like them. I'm not sure how long they're gonna last, because my problem with my bonnets is the elastic band eventually wears out. So I'm trying to find one without an elastic band, but these might come in handy until I'm able to find the perfect one. So yeah. And last but not least, I ran into Sally's the other day to get some things for an experiment I was doing, and I saw that they were having like the little hair mask packets 50% off. So I went in and I picked up this Macadamia Deep Repair Mask. This comes highly recommended from one of my friends, Shauna. She used to swear by this. I tried it one time a long time ago, but I don't remember if my hair liked it or not. So I'm gonna try it again and let you guys know. The full size is actually a little pricey in my opinion, so that's why I wanted to try the packet again first before I invested in the full size. And this is a great way to try products without actually like committing to a full size jar and then your hair not liking it, you know? So yeah, I picked that up. Alright guys, so that is it for my little haul. Let me know if you guys have tried anything that I've shared with you guys today. And if you want a review on any of these products, I'll be sure to do that for you. Just let me know down below. Also, we hit 10K subscribers this morning. It is crazy to know that 10K of you are supporting me. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I've been on YouTube for a hot minute now, and I'm a little ashamed to admit it, because I've never been super consistent with my uploads at all. I actually started out this year saying I'm going to be super consistent, because this is something I actually love doing. I love sharing my hair journey with you guys. YouTube is like my favorite hobby, and it's crazy to know that I started this year with less than 1,000 of you, and now we're up to 10K. So thank you guys for the support. I appreciate it. So I'll be having a 10K giveaway pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys would like to win, because I don't want to give away something that you wouldn't want. So leave some ideas down below. In the meantime though, I'm gonna put a secret word somewhere in this video, and the first person to comment down below with that word will win a $25 gift card to any store of their choosing. Could be Target, Walmart, Amazon, so you can grab a few hair products that you might have seen that you might like. That wraps up this video. Thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
What you got that for?
To see myself. Bam. Bam. We need to get my camera fixed. This is ratchet.